Hello students, I am Ravinder Yadav, your math expert at Dabad Academy. In our previous video, we have already discussed the introduction of chapter number system. Today we will continue with the series of questions based on number system. Before we begin, I advise you to watch my previous video on number system. Let's start our today's session number system. Here is the question number 1. The predecessor of 1 lakh is. We have to find the predecessor, and in predecessor we subtract 1 from the number. First we have to write 1 lakh, that is 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So we have to write it here 1, and all these places have we write to 0, and we have to find the predecessor. So we subtract 1 from the entire number. So the answer is, here is the 10, 10 minus 1 is 9, here is 9, here is 9, here is 9 and here is 9. So the predecessor of 1 lakh is 99,999. So option A is the right answer. So in the second question, the difference between the place value of 7 and 8 in the number 783906. हमें बताना है डिफरेंस प्लेस वैल्यू 7 और 8 का. So first we have to find the place value, that is 873906. The place value of 7 is 7. We have 5 digit here, so we have to write 50 here. In the place value of 8 we have 4 digit after it, so we have to write 40 here. Now we have to find the difference, so we easily subtract it. And if we subtract, here is 0, 0, 0, 0 and we take carry here 10, 10 में seat get, that is 2, and in 7 that is 6. So the difference between the place value of 7 and 8 is 6,20,000. In question number 3, the place value of 6 in the number 43,68,901. So first we have to write the number here, that is 43,68,901, and the 6 in the place of 10,000, so we multiply it by 10,000, that is equals to 60,000. So the place value of 6 is 60,000, or we can simply write it as 6, and here is 4 digit after it, so we write it here. So we have to write here 4 zeros. So the place value of 6 is 60,000. The value of 5 in the number 4,35,861. So we have to find, first we have to write the number, and we already know in face value we have to write the number exactly. So the face value of 5 is 5, and the next question is the sum of the place value of 0 and 9 in the number 98,701. So first we have to write the number here, then we have to find the place value. So the place value of 9 is 90,000 and the place value of 0 is 0. Then we have to find the sum. So the sum of 90,000 and 0 is 90,000. So the sum of place value of 0 and 9 in the number 98,701 is 90,000. Here is the next question, question number 6. The sum of the greatest 4 digit number and the greatest 3 digit number. First we have to write the greatest 4 digit number. And the greatest 4 digit number is 9,999, and we already discussed in our previous video how to find the greatest 4 digit number, greatest 3 digit number and the greatest 2 digit number. So here now we have to write the greatest 3 digit number, that is 999. Now we have to find the sum of both number, the number, and I hope you all know how to add these. So 9 and 9, that is 18, we have to carry 1, that is again 19, we have carry 1, that is 19, and 9 plus 1 carry, that is 10. So the sum of the greatest 4 digit number and the 3 digit number is 10,998. In question number 7, we have to find the difference between the greatest 6 digit number and the smallest 5 digit number. So first we have to write the greatest 6 digit number. The greatest 6 digit number is 6 times of 9. If he asks greatest 5 digit number, so we write 9 as 5 times. Now he asks the smallest 5 digit number, and the smallest 5 digit number is 10000, that is 10,000. Now we have to find the difference here. So first we have to write 9,99,999. Now we have to write 10,000 here. Now we have to subtract. So when we subtract 0 from the 9, that is 9, that is again 9, then 9, then 9, then 8, that is 9. So the difference between the greatest 6-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number is 9,89,999. The greatest number of 6 digit that can be formed by using the digit 0, 2, 3, 7 and 8. We have to find greatest 6 digit number. If it simply asks what is the greatest 6 digit number, we can easily write 6 times of 9. But the question says we have to find the greatest 6 digit number, but that must be formed by these digits, and we can repeat the digit here. So first we have to write the greatest digit, that is 8, then we have to write again 8, then we have to write 7, then 3, then 2, 1, 0. That is the greatest 6th digit number that we have to form by using digit 0, 2, 3, 7 and 8. So this is the answer of question number 8. Find the smallest 5-digit number that can be formed by using the digit 3, 0, 8, 6 and 4. We have 5 digit here and we have to find the smallest 5-digit number. If it simply asks the smallest 5-digit number, that is 10,000, but he asked the smallest 5-digit number which we used by these number. So first we have to write 3, then we have to write to 0, then we have to write 4, then we have to 6, then we have to write 8. This is the smallest 5-digit number that is formed by 38064. And you have a doubt why we didn't write 0 in the first place. If we write 0 here, 0, then 3, then 4, then 6, then 8. This is not the 5-digit number. This is the 4-digit number. So we never write 0 at starting. We can always write 0 at the second place. Smallest 5-digit number that can be formed by using 3, 8, 0, 6 and 4. The least natural number is, and we already discussed in our previous video what is natural numbers. And the natural numbers are those numbers which are start from 1 and continue to till infinity. So the least natural number is 1, and 1 is also the least 1-digit number and natural number, and the smallest odd number was also 1. So 1 is the least natural number, least 1-digit number and the least odd number. So the next question is the smallest prime number is. First we have to know what is prime numbers. So prime numbers are those numbers which is divisible by 1 and itself, or in other words we say those numbers who have only 2 factors. One have only 1 as a factor. So this is not the prime number. Then we have another number that is 2, and so the smallest prime number is 2. In counting 1 to 100 we have 25 prime numbers. In 1 to 50 we have 15 prime numbers, and from 51 to 100 we have 10 prime number. The smallest 2-digit prime number. The smallest 2-digit prime number is 11. He can also ask the largest 2-digit prime number is. So the largest 2-digit prime number is 97. So this is the very little information about prime numbers. So prime numbers are those numbers which is divided by 1 and itself. From counting 1 to 100 we have 25 prime numbers. From 1 to 50 we have 15 prime numbers, and from 51 to 100 we have 10 prime numbers. The smallest prime number is 2, smallest 2-digit prime number is 11, and the largest 2-digit prime number is 97. Here is the question number 12. Find the sum of the smallest prime number and the largest 2-digit prime numbers. Prime number is 2 and the largest 2-digit prime number is 97. And we have to find the sum, and the sum of 2 plus 97 is 99. So the 99 is the right answer. Or the sum of smallest prime number and the largest 2-digit prime number is largest 2-digit number, that is 99. And the question number 13 is the smallest 4-digit number is, and we already know the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. In question number 14, what is the sum of successor and predecessor of 10,998? So first we have to find the successor here, and the successor of 10,998 is, that is 99910 and 1. This is the successor, predecessor, and the predecessor is in. When we have to find the predecessor, we simply subtract 1 from the number, and that is 79910. Now we have the successor and the predecessor. Now we have to find the sum. So the sum of predecessor and the successor is 9 and 7 is 16, that have carry 1. 9 9 18 and carry is 19. So we have 1 again. 9 9 18 1 carry 19. 1 and 0 is 1, and here is 2, that is 21,996. That is the sum of successor and predecessor of 10,998. Question number 15. 2,323,566. We have to write these in numeral forms. So first we have to write the international place value chart, that is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So we have to write first 2 million, so that is 02, that is 2 million. Now 300, that is 300, 23,000, तो हमने इनको 1000 प्लेस पे लिख दिया. Then 500, that is 500, 66, that is 66. This is the numeral form in international number system of 2,323,566. In question number 16, we have 70 crore 1,05,043. So first we have to write the Indian place value chart, that is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore and 10 crore. There is 70 crore, so we have to write 70 under the place value of crore, that is 1 lakh, so we have to write 1 at the place of lakh. Then we have 5,000, so we have to write 5,000, and we have 43, we have no value for 100, so we have to write 0 here, that is 43. This is the numeral form according to the Indian number system of 70 crore 1,05,043. Here is the next question, 50,07,304. So we can simply write the first Indian place value chart, that is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So that is 70 lakh. So we write 70 under the value of lakh. 7,000, we write it under the 1,000, that is 300. So we have to write 3 under the place value of 100, and 4. So we have write it here 4. There is no value for tens, so we have to write 0 here. The next question is question number 18. Which of the following is not an even number? इनमें से कौन सा नंबर even number नहीं है? So first we have to know what is an even number. So even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2, and we have already discussed the divisibility rule of 2. In divisibility rule of 2, the numbers who have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their unit place आर ऑलवेज डिविजिबल बाय 2. सो कोई भी नंबर जिनके यूनिट प्लेस पे 0 आ जाए, 2, 4, 6, 8, ऐसे सभी नंबर डिविजिबल होते हैं 2 से. सो इन 10 वी हैव 0 इन द यूनिट प्लेस, सो दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. देन वी हैव 0 हेयर, सो दिस नंबर was also divisible by 2, and 0 was also the number which is divisible by 2. So D is the right answer, and that is none of these. In question number 19, what is the product of place value and the face value of 7 in the number 67,210? So first we have to write the number 67,201. Now we have to find the place value of 7, and the place value of 7 is 7,000. And then we have to find the face value of 7, and we already know what is a face value. The face value of any number is the number itself. It's like the face value of 5 is 5, 7 is 7, 6 is 6. Now we have both place value and face value of. Now he wants the product, so we have product of 7,000 and 7, and product means multiply, that is equals to 0, 0, and 7 7 is 49. So the product of place value and face value of 7 in the number 67,210 is 49,000. This is the correct answer. In question number 20, we have to write the Roman numerals. 49 can be written in the Roman numeral as. In Roman numerals, we have to write 1 as like this, 2 is 2, 3 as 3, then 4, then 5 as V, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 10, 9. We have to write L as 50, C as 100, D as 500 and M as 1000. There are few rules for Roman numerals. In this we have never repeat any 4 time continuously. हम किसी भी नंबर को continuously 4 बार repeat नहीं कर सकते. Like when we have to write 4, हमने 4 स्लैश नहीं किए. तो जब भी हमें रोमन नंबर के अंदर कुछ लिखना होगा तो हमें ये ध्यान रखना होगा कि कोई भी नंबर 4 बार रिपीट ना हो. सेकंड, जब हम किसी लार्जर नंबर के लेफ्ट में कोई स्मॉलर नंबर लिखेंगे, इसका मतलब वहां पे सब्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है, यानी लार्जर नंबर के लेफ्ट में कुछ भी होगा जो कि स्मॉलर होगा, इट मींस वी हैव सब्ट्रैक्ट हियर. लाइक v इज 5 एंड v के लेफ्ट साइड में 1 लिखा हुआ है, इसका मतलब 5 - 1 दैट इज 4, और हमने 4 को कैसे लिखा है 1v. सो जब भी किसी लार्जर नंबर के साइड में कोई स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर होगा तो इसका मतलब वो किस में है, सब्ट्रैक्ट में. देन ऑल्सो द सेम, अगर किसी लार्जर नंबर के राइट साइड में कोई नंबर होगा, इसका मतलब हम वहां पे कर रहे हैं सम. जैसे कि हमने 6 लिखा, v के साइड में 1 था, इट मींस 5 + 1 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 6. इट मींस किसी भी लार्जर नंबर के लेफ्ट साइड में कोई नंबर होगा, इसका मतलब वो सब्ट्रैक्शन में है. एंड अगर कोई नंबर राइट साइड में होगा, इसका मतलब वो नंबर एडिशन में है. एंड रोमन नंबर के अंदर हम किसी भी नंबर को कंटिन्यूसली 4 टाइम्स रिपीट नहीं करते हैं. वी हैव टू राइट 49. तो फर्स्ट वी हैव 40 + 9. वी कैन राइट 49 एज 40 + 9. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट 40 एंड वी ऑलरेडी नो x इज द 10. देन वी हैव 20 फॉर 10x. फॉर 30 वी हैव 3 टाइम्स ऑफ x, बट 40 वी डू नॉट रिपीट एनी नंबर 4 टाइम्स. सो we proceed to the next number, that is 50, and we write as L. If we subtract 10 from the 50, we can write 40. और हमें पता है सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, लेफ्ट में किसी नंबर को लिख. अगर हमने 50 के साइड में 10 लिखा है लेफ्ट साइड में, इट मींस we subtract 10 from the 50, that is 40. and we already know how to write 9, कि हम ये है हमारे पास 10 और 10 में से एक सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, that is 9. so that is XL when X, that is the Roman numeral of 49. note it down. There are only dash symbol in the Roman numeral, so we have only 7 symbol in the Roman numeral, and this is question from All India Sainik School Entrance Exam 2017, and these symbols are for 1, that is 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. These are the 7 symbols in Roman numerals. So the right answer is 7. The numeral form used for D, C, C, L, X, X, V, 111 in the Hindu Arabic system is. This question is also from All India Sainik School Entrance Exam 2017. So we already know this is okay. We know D represents 500, C represent 100, and L represent 50, and X represent 10, and V represent 5, and triple slots represent 3. So this is 500. Right side के अंदर 2 C है, it means ये प्लस में, that is 200. Then प्लस में 50, then प्लस में 20, and प्लस में 8. So that is okay 778 is the right answer for this question. What is the value of and the number 6, 4, 3 and 1, 6? So we simply write there is in single number in the place of this sign. After that this number is divisible by 9, and we all know the divisibility rule of 9. The divisibility rule of 9 is sum of all digit of a number is divisible by 9. कि जितने भी डिजिट्स है किसी नंबर में, अगर हम उन सबका सम करेंगे तो वो नंबर 9 से क्या होना चाहिए, डिविजिबल हो जाना चाहिए. So first we have to sum of these number, that is 6 + 4 + 3 + 1 + 6. So the number is 6 + 4 10, 13, 14 and 6 is 20. So 20 is not divisible by 9. So we have to write a number here. We can write 7 here. So the sum is 27, and 27 is divisible by 9. So the symbol replaced by 7. So 7 is the right answer for this question. Find the sum of the largest and the smallest number which can be formed by 5, 0, 4 and 3. So first we have to form the largest number of 4 digit that is equals to 5, 4, 3, 2. We arrange these number in descending order. First the largest, then the smallest, then again the smallest, then the smallest. And the smallest 4 digit number is which is formed by 3045 is 3045. Now we have to sum these two numbers, that is 5430 and 3045, and the sum is 5748. So the right answer is 8475. Last question of today's session, that is question number 25. The product of a non-zero whole number is एंड इट्स सक्सेसर इज ऑलवेज डिविजिबल बाय, कि कोई भी एक नंबर है होल नंबर जो कि नॉन जीरो है, इट मीन्स वी डू नॉट इंक्लूड जीरो हेयर, तो उस नंबर का एंड उसके सक्सेसर का जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो दैट नंबर इज ऑलवेज डिविजिबल बाय 3, एन ओड नंबर, एन प्राइम नंबर और एन इवन नंबर. दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑल इंडिया सैनिक स्कूल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम 2020. So let's take any single number, that is 3, and the successor of 3 is 4. When we have to product this number, that is 12. Now we take next number, that is 4, and the successor of 4 is 5, and the product of 4 and 5 is 20. Let's number 6, and the product of successor of 6. Let's take some big number like 11, and the successor of 11 is 12. When we multiply 11 and 12, that is 132. So first is divisible by 3. This number is divisible by 3, but this number is not divisible by 3. It means this is not valid. अब प्राइम नंबर, इनमें से कोई भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, तो ये भी नहीं हो सकता. एंड ओड नंबर हमने देखा 3 पॉइंट लेके, वी हैव टेक 4 एग्जांपल्स एंड नन ऑफ दीज आर ओड नंबर्स. दिस इज नॉट द आंसर. So the right answer is option number D, an even number. For the product of a non-zero whole number and its successor is always an even number. I hope this lecture is very informative for you. If this lecture is valuable for you, please like, share and subscribe our channel Dabad Academy. Thank you.